In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Facebook Metapixel to Squarespace. Full guide. If you run ads on Facebook or Instagram, the Metapixel helps you understand what visitors do on your site, so you can measure results and improve your campaigns. Let's walk through the setup inside Squarespace so everything connects cleanly and starts tracking right away. Start by signing into your Squarespace account and opening the website you want to track. From your site's dashboard, go into Settings, and then open the Marketing section. This is where Squarespace keeps all the tools related to promotion and analytics, so it's the right place for the Pixel integration. On the Marketing page, look for the option that says, Add Metapixel to better target your ads and promote your products, and select it. A guided connection flow will open. Simply click through the prompts. Squarespace will ask you to connect to your Meta account so it can pull in your pixel. Approve the connection, choose the correct business assets if you see them, select the pixel you want to use for this site, and confirm. Keep following the on-screen buttons until you see that the connection is complete. After you finish the prompts, you'll land back in the marketing area with your pixel connected. This page may show your selected pixel and give you options related to ad tools. If you see a Save or Done button, click it to lock in the connection. If there are any toggles for tracking or data sharing, review them now so the setup matches your campaign goals. Head back to your site dashboard. If at any point you need to revisit the pixel settings, use the search bar at the top of the Squarespace dashboard and type Metapixel. Open the same option you used before. If Squarespace asks you again to add Metapixel, go ahead and click it and reconfirm your selections in the prompts. You might see a few highlights or continue buttons along the way. Just proceed through them until you're back at the marketing page with the pixel attached. A few quick tips to finish up. Give the connection a few minutes to start sending data. If you want extra peace of mind, use Meta's Pixel Helper browser extension to confirm the pixel is firing on your pages. For stores, standard events like view content and purchase will help Ads Manager optimize your campaigns. And be sure your site's privacy and cookie settings are configured correctly for your region before running ads. That's it. Your Meta